Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can locate and use your own sound in future projects on Bandlab. So let's get right into it. Bandlab is a digital audio workshop in which you can enter and record or modify audio, and it is free of charge. You can do whatever you would like in it. You can record your voice, record instruments, record a lot of different things, edit them however you would like, and create the sound of your choosing. Now, as you can see, I'm using this Bandlab article of how to use Bandlab sounds, and I'll just add my own twist to it and say how you can find your own sound. Now, to actually locate sounds, what you want to do is click on the create button and you'll be able to create your own project. And once you do, you'll be able to go click on Bandlab sounds to actually find a sound. Once you're there, just go to the search and search through the sounds and make sure that you find your own sound which you have created, and you'll be able to use it in your project. Alright, so that's for PC. For mobile, what you need to do is tap on the create, then import the file that you want to actually use and edit in the track type options. Then you want to click the add icon to create a new track. Once you're there, tap on Bandlab sounds and you can import a loop from their library. Here you can also search for your own sound, and that is pretty much it. In sounds, what you can do is log into your account. From the sidebar, select browse, packs, loops, or one-shots, then go to the triple dot icon to edit the sample, click on download to save it, then click open it in Studio below the sound pack description. And once you're there, drag and drop the loop you desire in the studio, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.